Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn about the char formula in Excel, which returns the character specified by the code number from your computer. Like if we write 65, then the character which represents 65 is A, for B it is 66, for C it is 67, and so forth. The character represented by 90 is Z. So from 65 till 90 you have your A to Z. So how do we get this? Well, we use a formula called Char is equal to CHAR, and you type it in, open the brackets and select the cell which is having the characters, which is having the numbers. So is equal to Char, open the bracket and select that cell, close the bracket. So now you know that 65 is A in Excel. So this formula can be copied. You do a Control C and you copy it till down, and you know now that what each of these number represents. 70 represents F. Now I have copied this over here for showing how we can use this. So if I want to say life is good, life is good. So I'm using VLOOKUP to pull up the numbers. All right. So I used VLOOKUP over here to pull up these numbers. And I also used this formula using the AND formula to write this text, life is good. So how did I write it? I used char J5, this one, and J6, and this one, and this one, and this one to get life is good written in code. So this is how you use the char formula in Excel. See you in the next video.